Hi guys, welcome to the daily answer writing challenge. Guys, today's question is what led to Joshimath land sinking? This question belongs to General Studies paper 1 geography. So let us try to write an answer to this question. So what we have to do, questions which are very simple question, direct question, 10-mark question. So you have just 120 to 130 words to answer this question. So better what you can do is that in the introduction you can start with some context. Okay, why this question is in news. So you can say that in January this year, white cracks appeared in many roads and houses of Joshimath, Uttarakhand. This led to panic in the local population. So this is the context. So after that, you can say that after that, many studies were carried out to find out reasons behind the land sinking, and recently 8 institutes have come out with reasons. Okay, recently, just today in the newspaper it was there. So this is the context, this is the introduction which you can write. Then you can just make a heading, reasons for land sinking. First heading is, the main reason is guys the seismic activities, guys. This is in seismic zone 5. You all know that guys Himalayas are seismically very active. Particularly this region is seismic zone 5, which is one of the highest seismic zone. So that is one of the reasons of land sinking. The second reason for this is the overpopulation. Guys, every area, every land has a carrying capacity. And if the population goes beyond that, then obviously there will be repercussions. Third is guys, okay, rampant unscientific construction. Guys, according to one report, one study, most of the construction is not adhering to, most of the construction does not adhere to building codes. Blockage of drainage. The blockage of drainage. Fifth reason, guys, is the hydroelectric projects. Hydroelectric projects is one of the most important reasons for this. Okay, so these are some of the reasons. Okay, these are some of the most important reasons for the Joshimath sinking. Then you can write way forward. Way forward, you have to write that these are okay fragile. These are fragile ecologically. These are ecologically fragile ecosystem. So the development has to be with carrying capacity. So you see this question, if you do not use the concept of carrying capacity, you are not going to get marks. See, every question has a main concept behind it, and if you do not address that concept, you are not going to get marks. So if you are writing something which is beating around the bush and you expect to get marks, you're not going to get that. Suppose this is a 10-marker question. So you can see here 5 concrete points I have written. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 concrete points I have written. I have explained also. I have written the main point, which is the carrying capacity, and I have given a way forward, and I have given a good introduction. So I can easily expect to get around 7 marks out of 10 very easily. five points, one for the introduction and one for the conclusion. Okay, so it is very important for you to know what to, like, how to structure your answer, because structuring is the key. Many students, what they do is that they have the knowledge, but they will not be able to, okay, categorically write these 5 points. And you know, in examination, what happens is that the examiner is just going to see these 5 points: the seismic activity, overpopulation, rampant construction, blockage of drainage, hydroelectric projects. And thus he will get to know that yes, you know the answer, you know the main concept behind it, because you see, this point I have written just at the top. Many people will make the mistake, this will be right at the end. So obviously they are not going to get the marks which the topper would get. So thank you friends, bye bye, take care.